Welcome to One Chemistry. This is 365 Chemistry series. Inorganic chemistry questions for you. Here you have arsenic tetrachloride, which is anion. You have to find hybridization and shape of it. To find the hybridization, you should know the steric number. Steric number is H, which equals V plus B minus C whole divided by 2. Here valency of arsenic is 5 and chlorine is 4. So if you substitute in the formula, you have 5. Then the lone pair will be H minus V, which gives 1. H5 means sp3 dehybridization, which is trigonal bipyramidal. But where the lone pair will be available, it will only occupy equatorial position due to the repulsion. So if you read right, you can find the structure is CSIR because lone pair is not visible. So the structure of arsenic tetrachloride anion is CSIR structure. That's all from this video. Thanks for watching. If you have any suggestion, comment below.